Okay, here, number 9, sliding over here, bringing my thing down here. The student file worksheet, again, pay attention to what worksheet you're in. Assign the table name payroll data to the table. Payroll worksheet. Excuse me, the student file worksheet, which I'm in, right? That's this table down here. I just need to get in the table somewhere. Now, a table has these little headers up here at the top. You can see the bottom right-hand corner has a little caret down there, down in L30. That's a table or a group of data. We'll get into tables. Well, if we would have gone into Access, we'd get into tables more. I was going to say we're going to get into tables, but not this year. We're not doing Access. So I want to name that table payroll data, not the range, but the table. So I'm going to go in, because I'm in my table, I have this Table Tools Design tab. All right. Which I think Gmetrics calls a contextual tab. I call it an interactive tab. Click on Table Tools Design tab. Come up here where it says Table Name. Click on that. Payroll Data. I'm going to name that just that one phrase without a space in there, and enter. So now the table is called Payroll Data. Okay, number 10. In the Items for Sale worksheet, sort the information by item and contact, respectively, both in ascending order. So I'm talking about doing a multi-level sort, first by item and then by contact. So the Items for Sale worksheet, sort the information by item and contact. Now I might just want to go in here and select everything with my white cross, A3 through F40. Okay. On my home tab, sort and filter, custom sort. Say I want to do sort by item from A to Z. Okay. But I want to have a second level. So I'm going to click on add level and sort by contact A to Z. Ascending order would be start with A and go to Z from the beginning down. We'll talk about ascending and descending as well. Descending would be just the opposite. I don't know why you would do a descending order in alphabetical order. That doesn't make sense. All right. Also notice that my data has headers, which means the top row up here, row 3, is identifying those various fields, item, description, price, as what we're sorting on. They're not part of the actual data. They're headers, or they describe what is in each of those various columns. That's what that's doing there. Click OK. First by item, and then by contact. So here you have arrows, and then backpack, and bow, and canoe. And within canoe, you have these various contacts. Okay. All right. Number 11. In the sample budget worksheet, filter out all items with a variance equal to 0. Keep those records that are not equal to 0. Sample budget worksheet, first one. I have a table up here. I have these variance items means I'm either above or below my plan. If I'm below my actual expenses, that would be favorable or positive. If I'm above my planned expenses, that would be unfavorable or negative. But I want to filter out everything that is equal to 0. So I'm going to come up here to my variance drop down. There's different ways to do this, but this is one. And for all the different possibilities, I'm going to uncheck 0 and eliminate it from my search. I could also come up here to number filters and say does not equal 0. That would be another way of doing it. But this is an easy one where I can just uncheck 0, and now it's not included in my search or my filter. I guess we should use the term filter there. Okay, that was the number 11. On to number 12. In the sample budget worksheet, write a formula in cell C27 using the concatenate feature, which combines the text worst variance equals and the text from cell B6. Now, concatenate is essentially doing math with text. We're adding text together. It's the fancy way of doing that. So I'm in my sample budget worksheet. I'm in cell C27, and I can just start typing here, equals concatenate. Or one thing we haven't done yet is our insert function wizard up here. Insert function. It says, well, what are you looking for? Concat. I'll stop there. Click go. There's concatenate. I guess concat works too. Concatenate. Again, we're adding a series of text. Now, the wizard just walks you through the formula. What's the first text I'm putting in here? It says worst variance equals. Worst variance equals. Now, it should put quotes around that for me, I hope. We'll see. Yep, it did right there. It put quotes around it for me. The second text is whatever's in B6. So let me just go up here and click on B6, which happens to be lunches. It's going to combine the words worst variance equals and lunches. Because you can see negative 1163, if we eyeball it, is my worst variance. Pretty simple. Again, we're just adding text together. Click OK. Worst variance equals lunches.